My name's Steve. Thanks for checking out this video. Clearly you must have an Indian Scout, and if so, you probably noticed when you bought it that it had a cutaway in the frame that looks like something should belong there. And so what I did was create a toolbox symbolic of the old style motorcycles. It has a nostalgic look. It's all TIG welded and it's all made out of 16 gauge steel with a locking device here. The way it goes on and off on this particular style is like that, and they put your stuff in there, and it's small, but it does offer you to put a wallet or a little something, cigarettes or whatever you got to go in there. And another model that I made that is along that same line is this one here with a hinge design. So mounted, it drops down, and it has a partition here and a wall to seal it, and that's how that one works. This one here is along that same line, comes off the same way, and but I have a built-in partition, and that's how I'm doing this style here. This one runs $180, and if you want it painted, it'll be $200. This one here with the hinge is $200, and then if you want it painted, it'll be $220. So it comes with a kit that gives a drill bit and tap with a little device that goes over there to make sure you don't go too deep when you drill it. Stop, and then these seals can be sealed to cover, or the inner cover and the inside cover. Comes with the screws and the tap. It's real easy to install. Just mark it, drill it, and tap it. And I have an instruction video that I'm going to do that explains all that in greater detail, but it's I don't know, 15-minute job to do it. But as you can see, I like the Scout. It's a great motorcycle. I've had a lot of Harleys and a lot of different motorcycles in my day, and I got my Chief over here that I use for my trips. But anyways, thanks for checking out the video. But before I let you go, there's one last thing I want you to know, is that, because I just discovered this myself, if you look on the back of your motorcycle right here, you'll see that the right where I'm pointing, that it has a little screwdriver, and essentially that's your toolbox that Indian had created when you bought your motorcycle. But this is much nicer, and I got a patent on the design, and I hope you like it, and I hope you buy one. Thanks for checking out the video, and go.